rescue wild, abused animals. So we take animals out of circuses, out of private zoos, out of private homes, and relocate them to better facilities within Ukraine. And now with the support of Turkish Cargo, we are able to take 4 lions to South Africa. So their lives from here on will be safe. No hunters will get to them, no poachers will get to them, and they can just enjoy the rest of their lives here. Nobody's going to close this place down, it's not going to move. They're safe for the rest of their lives, and that's thanks to Turkish Cargo and a couple of the other major sponsors for making it possible for us to bring the lions to South Africa.